Hey, how you doing? Everything okay? So basically with this, what I'm trying to say is, so you see from here to here is 4.20 meters, right? You added this piece, which is 1 meter. What I'm trying to say now, this will become 3.20 because now you have the 1 meter here. You understand? Below the basement level. So this will become 3.20 because you have the 1 meter here. This will come down a little, and this will come down a little, and this here will become 8.50. So remember, because of this part, the meters above ground will be less. I don't know if I explained it good. So just again, this here, because you're adding this part, this will become less. This will become less. But this is going that, this will remain the same. This will become less because this is dropping down. Alright? How is the entrance? Is the entrance from this side? Can you just indicate, put the indication, this is the entrance? Another thing, for the elevations, you have to show the front, the side, and the back. So far, I see you have this side, and then this side. I guess this is the front. So you're missing one. I don't know if we're missing one, but let me know. Please, like if this is the front, just set a point, put an indoor facade, put front facade. So it's clear. Front. If this is the side, put side. If this is the back, put back. Or this is something else, and leave it how you have it. But yeah, because then they're gonna get confused with transversal section cut. Okay, leave that. But just the facade, I see you have the front, you need the side and the back. If this is it, then leave this and then add the other one.